everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri again from Karma Healing. As you all know, today I am here to do the reading for the week that is starting from 2nd of August till the 8th of August. So the 2nd of August is the Monday and the 8th of August is the Sunday. So before I do the reading, like I always tell you, please do like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. The more subscribers, the more likes I get encouraged to do more reading for you guys, and I come up with more videos. It makes me really happy. Also, yesterday was Friendship Day, and I am wishing you all today a very, very happy Friendship Day to all my friends, all my subscribers here. And with that, let's start the reading for the week of 2nd August to the 8th August. I hope everyone's week was fantastic, and hopefully, knock, telling the cards that all the cards come out positive for all the signs here, make us all happy. But it's the universe. You have to listen to the universe and take what it gives you, right? So let's start with the first sign, and that is Aries. Let's see what I'll pull 3 cards for Aries, as I always do. So 3 cards for Aries. Okay, for the people born under the sign of Aries, this week is going to be a good way for relationship. Basically, I do see a little bit of health problem coming your way. So if I am starting from relationship is going to be good. I see new relationship coming. I see love coming your way. I see the bond between two people increasing. So relationship wise, yes, the cards are good, but you have to be very, very careful about your health, where your legs is concerned, or any problem related to your legs. So yes, health for health, you have to be careful this week. Also, you are taking a lot of burden, or there is some kind of burden that will come your way in this week. So just be very, very careful. Don't stress too much. Don't take too much burden, because maybe due to this burden your health might suffer. So there is some kind of tension that is coming in this week for you, but don't worry, it always gets solved, and there is always light after darkness. So it's not that bad. You just have to keep positive mind, and everything should work out for you. Career, if I'm seeing career, I don't see any more blockages or anything coming, but yes, there will be a lot of work burden that will be coming from work also for you this week. So basically, burden is the main thing that you will be taking this week, where work is concerned, where any other work is concerned. So that's where your health is going to suffer a little bit there. But where your relationship is concerned, the relationship cards are good. So there will be a good bond this week. Okay, now we'll go ahead and do Taurus. 3 cards for Taurus. Quick 3 cards. Quick 3 cards for Taurus. Okay, for the Taurus people, this week is going to be you can say bad as well as a good week. So some bad news is going to come to you, and plus there is some good news also coming your way. So if you see I see a progress where your work is concerned. I see that you are moving ahead where your work is concerned, where your career is concerned. Okay, but there will be some sudden change coming in your life where it's not a good change. So yes, there is a good thing of the career that is moving on the higher side, but then there is something that is pulling you down, is something that will be a sudden change, sudden change of a place, or sudden change of not for the good reason. Okay, so that change is coming this week, but don't fear, everything will be fine, because all the cards are not that bad. There is a progress in the career. There will be some kind of thought, some kind of you're thinking that you'll be doing this week that is going to make it worse for you. So don't think too much, don't stress too much, and let it go the way it is. You just have to keep a little bit of patience and a little bit of calmness, and this shall pass. So now let's go ahead and do Gemini. Quick 3 cards for Gemini. For Gemini people, where your relationship are concerned, it's going to be a normal relationship. No, nothing too great or nothing too bad. So it's going to be the normal, the way it was. So there's not a problem. Yes, but where career is concerned, where people is concerned surrounding you, I do see a lot of arguments coming your way next week. I mean to say this week, a lot of arguments coming. You know, there will be like arguments, verbal arguments, where you know there are chances that people are going to fight or people are going to feel bad about it. But still, you know, there is also I do see a little bit of traveling. So there must be some traveling coming to you this week, where your relationship are concerned or where your family is concerned. So that way you will be traveling. Plus there is a little bit growth in the career, but with the growth in the career there is also a lot of arguments and a lot of misunderstanding between people that will come to you this week. So overall, if you see relationship wise, it's going to be normal. There's not going to be any problem for you guys. Yeah, but yes, career wise also I see a growth. Relationship wise, you know, there will be a little bit of misunderstanding and arguments and everything, but there is definitely a travel due to some kind of relationship issues, good or bad, you know, coming to you this week. Now after Gemini, we go ahead and do Cancer. 3 cards for Cancer. For 3 cards of Cancer, this week is basically related too much into relationship, where I am seeing a relationship, there is some kind of news that you are going to receive, where you know it's not a good news. You know, you will be thinking about it all the time. You will be going into the thoughts, going into, you can say, a depression kind of state, where you know your love or relationship is concerned. So you have to pay attention to it. You have to, you know, be positive that you know this phase should go away. Whatever you're waiting for from last week, that you know the result that you need this week, it is going to take some time. It is going to still you know delay a little bit. So you know, overall if I see your cards this week, it is basically mostly targeting relationship. In relationship, there are chances that you will have some kind of setback. Where career is concerned, it's a smooth thing, but if you are waiting for some kind of promotion or some kind of thing at work to grow, I don't see that moment coming right now. So relationship wise, if you see, there is some kind of you know problem, emotional coming. So just be at peace and be calm, and this shall go. Yes, where career is concerned, the growth is not seen, so this will be a stagnant kind of a week for you. And health wise also, mostly problem related to overthinking or maybe depression or pressure or something that might come up, because you are thinking too much and you are keeping everything too much inside because of the relationship issue. So just speak out, just talk to someone whom you're comfortable with, and you shall be fine. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. 3 cards for Leo. Let's shuffle the cards. Three cards for Leo. If you see 3 cards for Leo, if I have removed this week for Leo people, is going to be okay. I do see a celebration. I do see something new coming in your life that you are happy about. You know, you will be celebrating about it. So this week is all about celebration. Also, there is a travel indication that you will make. You will visit your family whom you have not visited for now few months or year due to COVID. Maybe you will be visiting them. So that is coming in your cards this week. Also, just don't overthink. Don't think too much about one subject that is a minor thing, that you keep on thinking about it, and then it creates a big issue for you. So don't do that, because it is going to affect your health somewhere. So where health is concerned, if I see for the Leo people, just don't overthink on an issue that is nothing to worry about. You are going to travel where relationship is concerned, so relationship cards are good because there is a celebration also, so that is also good. Career wise, if I am seeing there, it can be a forward movement in the career because I have a celebration card, so it can be career that is going to move ahead for you. So if I see health, yes, just be very careful about overthinking and some kind of like having unnecessary thoughts and all those things. Just be careful about that. Relationship wise, it's a good card. Work wise also, it's a good card. Career, because there is a celebration, so there is a moment coming in your life this week. So overall, if you see, the cards are good for Leo. Now we are going to do Virgo. Quick 3 cards for Virgo. 2 and 3. Okay, for the Virgo people, I see a very good movement, ahead movement coming your way. You are going to be very confident this week. Whatever you do, you will shine, but there is this courage and there is this, that kind of energy in you this week where it will support you to move ahead with whatever you take in your hand. I do see a growth, I do see your growth in career. I see that there is some kind of money maybe coming from somewhere, where you're maybe a hereditary, usually from some old person, maybe your grandma, grandpa, anyone, such kind of, or your mother, father, anyone. I see some kind of money coming this week. Also, I do see a growth in your career, plus you are so positive this week that whatever you take in your hand, you are going to move ahead with great courage and great enthusiasm, you can say, so you have that energy in you this week, and the universe is also supporting you to move ahead. So if I see career, I do see also a growth coming in your career this week. Maybe not a major growth, but it is going up. Where money is concerned, yes, your money is going to come from unexpected sources. Of course, not the bad one, the good sources like your parents or maybe grandparents, so there will be some news or there will be some money coming this week. And relationship wise also, it is a normal thing. It is nothing bad that is going to happen this week. The week is going to be good for Virgo. Now we are going and doing Libra. Let's see what the week is holding for Librans. Quick 3 cards for Libra. 1, 2. For the Libran people, this week is going to be good where relationships are concerned. It's a happy moment for them this week where your relationship are concerned. I do see opportunities coming your way this week. There might be something coming that has new opportunities for you, or maybe new ideas that are coming to you, so that kind of things will come to you, or something you will think different this week maybe. And there is a growth that is shown. There is a lot of emotions involved this week. Whatever you will do is something you will do emotionally. You will be thinking from the heart and not from the mind this week. So mostly it is emotions that is going to be controlling you this week. So yes, there is an opportunity that will come where your work is concerned. New ideas will come where your work is concerned. Your relationship seems to be very good, and it will be good this week. The emotions are at peak, so it will be, if there are good things happening, of course the emotions will be a happy one for you. So overall, if I see career is good because new opportunities, new ideas will be coming. Relationship will be good this week. And also if I see your health, health will be okay, but there is also too much thinking involved because you are emotional, most of the time very emotional this week. So there is some kind of a thinking, and you will be thinking from your heart and not from your mind. So somewhere it's a happy moment, but still there's too much thinking, so just be careful about it. But yes, overall this week is going to be fine for you. Now we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. Quick 3 cards for Scorpio. For the Scorpio people, this week it says money, money, money. There are more of a finance card, so there will be something that you will there is a card where there is something like you have earned enough last week, or maybe in your past, and this week is something that you are planning to invest or save. So this week is totally saving of money. So there will be something that you will be investing, or there will be the money that you are holding tight and you want to keep it in a fix or something like that. So this week is something on saving. But then if you want to increase your finance, the card is guiding me. A card that has come is telling you to donate something to the poor, donate for the needy, either feed them food or give them something that they want, what is necessary for them. So this week it will help you a lot. There is a lot of emotions involved this week, but that is a emotions that is not needed kind of a thing. So it is going to cause you some kind of health issue where your mind is concerned. So basically it's something related to mind. So it might be maybe migraine, sinus, or you can say pressure problems. Some kind of issue is going to shoot up this week. So where your money is concerned, there is money that you're going to save, you're going to put it in some fix, and you're going to invest. So this week is totally about money, money, money. So it's going to involve money. Where relationships are concerned, it is a normal week, but yes, your emotions, or you are thinking too much, especially for the money thing, because most of your cards are pentacles. So it is something that you are totally involved emotionally also where your money is concerned. Maybe you feel like you have not earned enough to invest enough or something like that. So that's the reason. The career, if I'm seeing, career is going to be normal, relationship is also going to be normal. Just don't think too much. So that's for Scorpio. And let's go ahead and do Sagittarius. Three cards for Sagittarius. For the Sagittarius people, I would say this week is something that is very good for relationship. I see new relationship coming. I see the people who already are in relationship is going to enjoy this week, and they're going to build up new emotions, new you can say connection this week. Also I see a blessing of pentacle coming. So there are chances that the money, you are going to get money from somewhere. The universe is trying to give you abundance or give you what you want kind of a thing. So there is, I see money coming your way from some unknown, you will be surprised that where did this come from? I have never expected this. So this kind of situation is going to come to you this week. Also there is a card that comes. So people who are trying to be pregnant, or who are trying to have a baby, so this week is something, or maybe deliver a baby. So this week is something where the vibrations for the Sagittarius people are such that there are chances you might get news of the pregnancy, or you might get maybe the date for the delivery, or maybe something related to that will be coming this week. Overall, if I see relationship wise, the cards are good because you are going to build new relationship, and you are going to spend most of the time with your emotions with the relationship. Plus if I see finance, the finance is going to come your way from very unknown source. You will be surprised. So that's the finance thing. And yes, it's going to be a celebration because some good news is coming your way. So if I see relationship is superb this week, finance, work, career looks good because I see money coming your way. Also where health is concerned, everything looks fine. I don't see any problem where your health is concerned. Yes, if there's a pregnancy or there's a delivery coming, there are chances that this week will be somewhere the week where you might get the good news. So that's it for Sagittarius. So now we'll go ahead and do Capricorn. 3 cards for Capricorn. Three cards for Capricorn. If I see the 3 cards for Capricorn, I see where the relationship are concerned, there is a situation this week where you are very satisfied with your relationship. You don't need any more friends, you don't need anyone around, you are very, very satisfied with whatever you have. There are chances this week there is a kind a slight, you can say, issue might come where there might be some kind of fight, some kind of arguments over property or any kind of hereditary property, you can say, or so that will be a little bit too much. That will be going on this week. The financial condition this week, when the Pentacle card has come and it is a good card, so you will receive some kind of money in a gift, or someone, you might say a hereditary property or something like that, somewhere you might have not known, kind of a thing. So if I see the card where your relationship are concerned, you are quite satisfied with whatever you have right now, the relationship. You don't want to go ahead and make new friends. So this is a week where you just want to chill and have fun with whatever people and whatever friends you have around. So that's what your relation, yes, but you have to be very, very careful about the fight, the arguments that is going to happen this week, and it is going to be a major thing for you. So just be little careful about that thing. Where the money is concerned, I see money growing, but because the money is going to come as a gift or some kind of a surprise gift, you can say, this week for you guys. Also, if I see the health cards are okay, just it's a little bit of stress, little bit of tension because of the arguments and the fights that is going on in this week for you guys. Otherwise, the cards are good for Capricorn. I don't see any trouble coming your way. It's just that you have to be a little careful where the fights and the arguments are concerned, because it shouldn't go out of the hand, because it's going to be a major thing for you this week. Otherwise, if you see the money, the relationship, and the health, they all look fine. Now we'll go ahead and do Aquarius. Three cards for Aquarius. For the Aquarius people, you are going to celebrate, you are going to meet family, you are going to meet friends, you are going to celebrate new relationship. So for relationship, if I see, the cards are very good for Aquarius people. There is a forward movement where your work is concerned, where your career is concerned. So you definitely will see some kind of moment coming where your career is concerned. Yes, and where the growth is concerned, I do see a growth. You will be moving forward in every aspect of your life. But there is also one sign that has come in this card and guiding me to let you know that be very careful about the people who are not your well-wishers. There are people that you are surrounded with who are not your well-wishers. So stay away from the negative people. Also, so in overall, relationship wise, you're going to celebrate. It's a good week for you. Progress career wise is also a good thing. Health I don't see any problems where your health are concerned. Yes, but just stay away from the negative people, and I definitely see some kind of growth coming this week. Now the last sign, and that is Pisces. So let's go ahead and see what Pisces has to say. For the people, yes, Pisces people, I have relationship overruling this week for you guys, but I do see good relationship coming your way. There will be new people you will be meeting. There will be lot of connection that you will be making this week. So relationship wise, it's a good thing. This will be, but there is also a card that is telling me that you are expecting too much from the relationship, or maybe you're waiting for a relationship to come and it has come to you and the expectation is too much. Don't keep that expectations, because I do see that there is a little bit of low energy that is going to affect you this week if you expect too much from the relationship. Okay, there is chances that you are going to travel where your relationship may be meeting new friends, or meeting old friends, meeting your family, kind of a thing. So something related to relationship, you are going to travel. But all the cards are for relationship. So this week, relationship is at the top for Pisces people. So be careful about your relation. Of course, there will be good relationship coming your way, but don't keep the expectations too high, because there are chances that you might